Let's start creating a sketches and 3D model practices using CAD. Okay, let's start with a new and model millimeter template. Let's give this exercises. First exercise, exercise 1. Okay, this first let's create a sketch. For that, create a sketch. This creates a sketch and select the front plane. Okay, first let us draw a rectangle starting from this origin by 84 width and height is 90 enter it. Sit and let's draw a circle somewhere with a 22 dia. Okay, and another dia somewhere. Okay, no problem. Close it. Now we have to give dimension. Okay, text size, let's keep it 30.5. Okay, looks nice, right? Now let's give dimensions. Okay, from this end point to this, it should be 90 Okay, and um, okay, and from this center point to this edge, it should be okay. Let's give again from this center point arc center to this axis is just 11 okay, and here that 11 is constrained, but let's make horizontal to the center point to its center point. Let's apply it. Okay, now the sketch is okay, and let's check one more stuff here. From this center point to this center point, it's 62 okay. The dimension is not required, but anyway. Now, let's keep it strong. Okay, let's keep it somewhere. And we are going to create an arc from tangents to the circumference of this right circle to the left circle. Let's close it. And this diameter, this radius, let's give 58, it should be 62. Okay. Then what else? Everything looks nice, right? Now let's try to trim it. Before that, let us make sure that this circle and this line is tangent. This is already tangent. Okay. Then trim it Trim these two, and this one also, let's trim it. Okay, close it. This one we don't need. The sketch is closed. This is what we need at a base level. Any problem with this sketch? No problem. Okay, finish the sketch. Let us extrude it. First, let us extrude this feature by 15 mm. Okay, no problem. Let's keep it 10 mm then. Let's keep the start side 10 mm. This side 0. Okay, plane is the front plane. It's coming towards the other direction, right? Let's go by the Y way. Okay, very good luck, guys. Let's save it. The another sketch we are going to create is the base skeleton. Okay, let us see the sketch 2. Let's create one more sketch. The same front plane. Okay, but the vector should be was normal. Okay, now it's okay. Looks nice, right? Here at this point, we are going to create a circle. Okay, the circle dia is 34 mm. Okay, and in the same way, this line, let's create it. Okay, close it. Let's give the dimension from this center to this odd center. It's 84 mm. Okay, now these two circles aligned properly. The other stuff is we are going to create a line from this point, okay, the quadrant point by 25 mm, enter it and escape it, and again one more line from this quadrant at a distance of 25. Okay, so I'll line from this quadrant at 25 mm, at 25 mm, 25 mm. Okay, what? Let's get the step. Draw a line, quadrant. Okay, close it. Let's check. Let's keep these two are equal. Um, this and this equal length. This and this. Apply. Okay. And from this end point, we are going to create one more arc, right? That arc starting from this point to this point. Okay, at a radius of 42. Close it. And one more circle we are going to create here that we are not done there, but it's going to create a problem. Let us see somewhere here and then match it dimensionally. Let's make its diameter 50. Close it and make these two circles to become tangent. Apply. Close it. Now let's try to trim it. That's okay. This one and this one. Now this sketch seems okay. Okay, right. That's it. Finish it. Oh, this one. Okay, let's extrude it and let's go to unite and give this value some 25. Apply. Okay. But this, when we are creating the first sketch, that should have this circular feature so that it will get circle at the midpoint of this at a diameter of 50. Enter, close it. Then trim this and this. I think this will work. This will give the proper way of making this spot modeling as per parametric features. Okay, now we need two circular bosses. Let's make a sketch then. Okay, in the same front plane with this normal vector. Okay, now this time its diameter is 22 somewhere there. Okay, and same 22 somewhere here. Close it. From the center point of this to this center point, it should be 62, right? It should be 62 mm. Okay, and from this center point, okay, from this center point to this axis, it is 11 mm. Okay, okay, and from this center point to this axis, it is 90 mm. Okay, now let's make this and this both are horizontal. Okay, now only these two circles in this sketch. Let's finish it and extrude these two bosses at some 25 mm. Apply. Okay, now we are going to create holes. Okay, let's create hole in the same front plane so that the sketch will become more robust. Okay, now we need two holes. One hole here, another hole somewhere here. Let's measure it. Only two holes. Let's stop it there. And dimension of this point to this line is already coincident. From this point to this point, it is from this point. This it is 84, right? 84. Yes. And let's make this point horizontal. Okay, the sketch is fully constrained. Now the whole diameter is 20 dia. This one is 20 dia. Okay, apply, cancel it. Now we have to create another hole, another two holes. Set up another two holes. In this plane, draw the circle and reverse the vector. Okay, the point should be somewhere here and here. Close it. Let's give dimension of between these 2 points. This should be 62. Enter it. Yes. Okay, and from this point to this axis line, it's 11 mm. Yes. Okay, from this point to this axis line, it's 90 mm. Okay, and these two are horizontal. Apply. Okay. Now let's finish this position sketch and give 10 mm dia. This diameter is 10 mm dia. Okay. Cancel it. Now another hole in the same plane. Let's take only planes so that the sketch will become robust. That's how we have to do it. It's a best practices method. Here one hole. Okay, close it. Let's dimension from this to this axis at 42 mm. Yes. And from this, yes, from this to this axis, it is 42 mm. Yes, yes. Okay. Let's finish this whole position sketch and make the whole dia 20 mm, right? This one is 20 mm or more. This is something more than that, I think. It's 28 mm, right? Let's give 28 mm then. Apply. Okay, that's all. We have created a simple exercises for sketching, and creating 3D features using extrude and hole commands. So we have started creating 3D models using an Xcode. Thank you for watching this video. You practice for yourself so that it will become easier. Let's hide this, let's hide it this way. All the sketches, now this will look very nice. Thank you for watching this video.